Alrighty, just launched off Jones Bay this morning. It's a spot I've never fished by kayak this morning, but with today's forecast it looks like the peninsula should provide a bit of shelter. So far there's no wind, but I think it'll be slowly building throughout the day. But yeah, I've got a lot of bait and a lot of burley and a few soft baits, and I've got my anchor and my sea anchor, so we've got plenty of options for today. But yeah, I'm just gonna slowly head around the point here, and then I'll probably start off with a bit of soft baiting, and then I'll get the anchor down and the burley pumping as the tide starts to move. So yeah, it should be a good day. Alrighty, I thought I may as well have a quick cast with the soft bait on the way out, and it didn't even reach the bottom and we've already hooked up. Just a little snapper, but can't really complain. There he is, just a little fella. First fish for the morning on the Lime Tiger Crazy Legs. May as well have another cast. Alrighty, just anchored up and put the burley down and whacked out the soft bait. Haven't had a chance to get the stray line out yet, but we'll do that in a minute. Alrighty, there's the first keeper for the morning. Nice little 40cm one. Didn't get that one on camera because it sort of just like swallowed the stray line bait and then just sat there, so I didn't even know he was hooked. But yeah, not bad. Another hook up on the soft bait. Looks like we've got ourselves a little wee trevally. Bit small this guy though, so we'll chuck him back. Nice little trevally on the Lime Tiger there. Another little snapper on the stray line. Way too small. There we go, another trevally. Bit bigger this time. Must be a few of them kicking about. But yeah, that'll make for some nice sashimi. Got two fish on at once at the moment. There's a fish on the soft bait rod and just got a little fish on here, but I think both fish are pretty small, so nothing too crazy. Sweet, there's the first one. I'm gonna get this second fish in. Oh, I think he's gone. Oh no, he's still there. What do we got on this rod? I think it's another trevally. Not a bad one, whatever it is. There we go. Unhook the snapper, chuck him back, try and see what this is. Got a bit of go in it, whatever it is. Probably just a little trevally. They seem to scrap hard for their size. Yep, there he is, little trevally. Nice one. They seem to be loving the soft baits today. Alrighty, kind of feels like I've hooked a better sized fish on the stray line here. Sort of gave me a good run and taken plenty of line, so hopefully we've got a nice snapper on in the sort of 50cm bracket. Would be pretty choice. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Still got that soft bait out. Hopefully that doesn't randomly hook a fish, because this one's got plenty of go on it. Oh, I can feel him in the bush. Try and get him out the weeds, lock up the drag and pump him out. far out, we've got 2 fish on, and one of them's a bloody good one too. Far out, bit of a situation here. Looks like we've got 2 nice snapper on. Far out. That's why you run 2 hooks on your stray line, I guess. Try and just whip them both in. There we go. Far out. There's in the high 40s. Both on one stray line rig. Far out. That's insane. That burley must be doing its thing. Not a bad one. Probably another 40 plus centimetre, but yeah, nice eating size. Alrighty, I'm going to call it there. I'm going to shoot off now. It's been a pretty good session this morning. Got some nice sized snapper and a few trevally in there. But yeah, they've eaten through all this burley, so I guess that's why it started to slow down. Too easy.